Hello Hooperinos! This is a little tutorial for some elbow passes. What we're going to do is we are going to start with a lasso, and I'm looking for this gap on my right side. So this is my right hand. Now. Gap, gap, gap. My hoop is going anti-clockwise, and I'm just going to fold my elbow in. So from this side, anti-clockwise, looking for the gap. At this point, I fold my elbow in, the hoop continues to spin, it makes contact, and I take my hand out. And then I am actively pushing with my elbow. I'm then looking for this gap here, now, and I'm going to go in with my other elbow, and I'm going to transfer. And as I feel it go round the back of one of my elbows, I can remove the other. So it's on my right, I put in the left, I feel it on the left, I remove the right. And I'm following these lines of my body, and by that I mean I'm keeping my arms in line with the side of my body, so it's nice and clean. So we've got our front pass. And now we're going to look at this behind the back pass. So facing forward, facing side, following the line of my body, turn around and it's behind me. It's in my right elbow. It's going anti-clockwise. I turn to the side, keeping my arm like so. I turn away, following the line of my body, and it's behind me. I then see the hoop appear on this left side. And again, following the line of my body, I'm going to bring my elbow back. I'm going to put it into the hoop. I'm going to feel the hoop go around it, and I'm going to remove my right elbow. One more time. My arm is folded like so, and now the hoop is swinging up towards the ceiling and going towards me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lean back into the hoop. I'm just going to stick my neck in, and you're going to feel it do like half a rotation around your neck, and you'll hear this bump noise as it hits it. So it's spinning, my pass is coming up, and I feel that bump. On that bump, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my right arm, I'm going to put it next to my neck, folded, like so, and I'm going to make contact with the hoop. I'm going to take my neck out, and then I'm going to keep on elbowing down towards the floor. So as it does that bump on my neck, elbow in, push down, take your neck out, and then keep on elbow hooping. And there you go, guys. You can pass it at the front and go all the way around as much as you want. So from this angle, I could go pass, pass, turn, pass, over, pass. And then there's a nice little additional thing. As it's coming downwards, now, I can put out my arm, which is my left arm, nice and straight. I'm going to pull back with the hoop to create some space. And as it spins down, I'm going to let it touch my arm and hold my arm out, and I'm going to catch it in this lovely roll. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial and that you get a lot out of it. I've done all of this in my living room, so you can too, I am sure. I'd love to see what you get up to with it. So if you want to tag me and show me on any Instagram posts, I'm happy to give you some more things to do or give you any tips or pointers. So until next time, I'll see you later.